Hello everyone, welcome back to ATP Creative Corner. In today's video, I am going to make a hanging basket which can also be placed on the table to store random stuff. So now let's get started. For the basket, I have taken 2 pieces of the main fabric, 2 pieces of interfacing, in my case I have taken duck canvas, 2 pieces of the lining fabric. All these pieces are of same dimensions, 10 inches across 10 inches. To prepare the back piece of the basket, I am going to fold one of these interfacing pieces in half like this. At the bottom corner, I am going to make a 2-inch square like this. Next, I am going to cut along the marked line like this. And our back piece is ready now. For the front piece, I am going to take the other interfacing piece and fold it in half like this. At the bottom corner, I am going to make a 2-inch square and cut it along the marked line like this. Next, at the top left corner, I am going to mark a point 1.5 inches like this. And another point half inches from the top right corner like this. And I am going to join these 2 points with a curved line like this. And I am going to cut it along the marked line. So the front and the back pieces of the basket are ready now. Similarly, I have cut the front and back pieces for the main fabric and the lining fabric. Next, on the wrong side of the main fabric, I am going to place the interfacing and give straight stitches on the edges. I'll repeat the same for the other piece of the main fabric as well. Once done, it will look something like this. For the handle, I have taken a fabric strip of width 2 inches and length 5 inches. And an interfacing piece of width 1 inches and length 5 inches. Next, on the wrong side of the fabric strip, I am going to place the interfacing piece at the center and fold the fabric over the interfacing like this. And fold the entire thing again like this. And I'll give straight stitches on both the sides. Now it's done. The handle is ready now. Next, to attach the handle, I am going to fold the back piece in half like this. I'll make a notch mark at the center. And I'm going to place both the ends of the handle at the center like this. I'll give straight stitch here. Now it's done. Handle is attached now. Next, I am going to place the front and back pieces of the basket with their right sides facing each other like this. I'll give straight stitches on these 3 sides. Now it's done. Next, I am going to open these corners such that their seams are one on top of the other like this. I'll give straight stitch here. Similarly, I am going to do it for the other corner as well. Once done, it will look something like this. Now I am going to turn its right side out like this. The outer part of the basket is ready now. Next, I am going to place the lining pieces with their right sides facing each other like this. And I'll give straight stitches on these 3 sides. Now it's done. Next, I am going to open both the bottom corners such that their seams are one on top of the other and give straight stitches. Once done, it looks something like this. Our lining part is ready now. Next, I am going to place the outer part of the basket inside the lining part such that their right sides are facing each other. I am going to use sewing clips to keep them in place. Make sure that the seams are one on top of the other like this. Now I'll start stitching from this point all the way around until I reach this point, leaving 3 to 4 inches space unstitched. Now it's done. Now through this space I am going to turn the right side of the basket outwards like this. Next, I'll push the lining fabric inside the basket like this. Now I'll push the raw edges of the main fabric and the lining fabric inside like this. I'm going to use sewing clips to hold them together. Next, I am going to give top stitch here. Now it's done. And our hanging basket is ready now. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.